Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are finishing up the HyperEVM Tour with Meow Samma on Superboard. Today, we have deposit via Hyperbeat, Felix, Hyperwave, and HyperFi. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like 3,000 in USDC plus super points. Still don't know what the super points will be, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I have a Discord in case you need help navigating any of this to get more one-on-one questions answered. All social links are down below. You can catch me on Twitter at the BCR142, and I co-host a show every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern at DeFi Crypto and Airdrops, and I co-host with Veteran Crypto at Veteran4Crypto, and you can find us at the_only_DCA. And catch our brother channels right here, Discover Crypto, Blockchain Basement, BitLab, and our DCA consortium is not on here, but we'll figure that out later. All right, so let's get on into it and deposit on Hyperbeat. Hyperbeat, son. Hold the campaign pass. If you haven't followed the other videos, check them out. Now we'll deposit into Hyperbeat USDT vault. Make sure it's the right vault. So we're gonna connect our wallet, make sure it's on the HyperEVM blockchain. Right here, Hyperbeat, we'll deposit, and looks like you can deposit other assets. So you need some of this USDT 0, USDE, USR, USDHL. I'm just gonna put in a little bit of this USDE and get this confirmed. So we'll approve our token allowance, and then we will jump on in the HyperEVM. Boom. And master swap. So if you need to swap, go right here to master swap, and you can swap your assets right there. Now, earn, we can withdraw, redeem instantly. Okay, confirm that. I'm gonna go claim my points real quick, or my tokens. And then this, we will redeem, transaction submission and confirmation. All right, next up, deposit via Felix. Felix on the kitten swap. Felix the cat. Okay, swap hype for FE/USD using kitten swap. And then we'll have to deposit that fee USD. So let's go get our fee USD. Swap this over to the FE USD right there. Make sure we don't need swap hype. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna swap some hype. Okay, now that we have that, we can verify and deposit on Felix is next. Come on, verify. I guess it doesn't like that, so I'm just gonna skip that. Sad. Okay, we will deposit into this pool, the hype pool, stability pool vault, to earn yield from borrower interest and liquidation rewards. So you'll connect your wallet, and let's see, into the hype pool. Right here, stability pools, into the hype pool, and I'll just put all 21 cents in there. Okay, now we will deposit. So use Felix to earn. Nice. Your supply APY, and we will verify. Dun 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 dun. Collect your tokens, and then you can withdraw that if you'd like, which I'm going to do. Next up, which one is this? Hyperwave. We'll deposit into one of the Hyperwave vaults. Now that we've withdrawn from there, we can close. So we'll deposit assets into Hype Vault to mint HW Hype, Hyperwave Hype, and then you earn 50 wave points per Hyperwave Hype a day. Okay. So let's connect and deposit any asset. Let's see. Okay, we got K-Hype. We'll put some K-Hype in there. And mint, start minting. Dun 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 dun. Give your approval, and then you will deposit. approve infinity and beyond. All right, done. Let's verify. So withdrawal period is 5 days. Keep that in mind. That's why I put a little bit in there. So redeem. Yep, gotta wait 5 days. Oh, after a redemption, funds will be available in 1 day if there's enough liquidity in the vault balance. Okay, so that's good. And the last one, HyperFi. We will swap and deposit on HyperFi. Done. So swap any asset to USDXL. USDXL. All right, what are we doing? Any asset. So let's hit this fee fi fo fum USDE. All right, we'll approve and then submit. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. All right, now for the swap. Then there we go, son. Now, next step, deposit USDXL. So we'll close out of here. Make sure you click on that link so you go to the right pool. So once this comes up, you will deposit. I'm just gonna put max in there. Withdrawal period, 3 days. Okay, deposit. All right, there you go. Now you can earn yield and 2x HyperFi points if you would like. And remember, this is a 3-day withdrawal, so don't put more in than you want to lock up, but could be good strategy. Could be a good safe strategy for you to do DeFi with. Some of these strategies might be better during the bear market, some other times, so it just depends, but let's check it out, continue, and get our rewards, and we'll be good to go. So, HyperEVM Tour with Samma, Meow Samma. Oh, wait. Ooh, I think we have one more. I don't think that's part of the campaign, but we'll knock it out anyways. All right, execute a swap on HyperEVM, even though we're gonna do one extra for you. So any swap on Project X. We'll do that mHype to USDT. Nope, pool doesn't exist, huh? All right, I'll just do the good old hype. 0.001. Do this swap. Get that 4 cents, the 4 pennies. All right, now go back, and then we will LP dog. Hit that liquidity pool, and we will hit it in any liquidity pool. So close out of here, go to this guy, and check out one of these liquidity pools. All right, we have the Hype USDT 0. You can put like an equal amount of each, and we'll confirm our deposit. Just, 8 cents, 9 cents, whatever, or 10 cents, I'm sorry. Yeah, just make sure it's an equal amount. It's a weird beeping. And there we go. Verify, and we'll get our 50 super tokens. Dilly dilly. Okay, now is there anything after this? Now I'm gonna withdraw from my pool portfolio. Let's go back here. No. So click this little minus and then 100%, and you can remove your liquidity pool. So that's how you withdraw your funds. I know sometimes I don't always go and do the withdrawal process, but there you go. Remove your liquidity. And this guy, 83%. We got, where are we at? I think the internet is hung up a little bit. Completed. 83%. Do we get that file? No. It looks like we completed them all. Well, on here we completed them all. So there you go. If you do need any help, remember, I have a Discord. Link is down below. Hit me up on Twitter, all that fun stuff. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies.